Welcome back to Santa's Helpers Reviews, where we give you our opinion of products we've purchased or been gifted, so you can make your own decision. Let's get to the unboxing. It came fast. Unboxing. Now this is a 10-inch blade. It's actually about 15 inches from tip to handle. For your consideration, the Mercer Culinary 10-inch wide wavy edge bread knife or machete. The stainless steel is going to ensure this lasts a long time, but I want to show you the handle here is rubberized and has texture in the areas that your fingers touch. So you really do have a non-slip surface. While the 10-inch Millennia knife may seem excessive, if you compare it to a popular bread knife that comes in your knife kit and fits nicely in your knife block, you can tell the cutting surface is about a third. It's almost double the surface, so you're gonna be able to cut through a lot. We've been using it on this loaf of bread because we've been making bread at home more, so easily handles that. But as I was doing my research, I considered an 8-inch blade, which wouldn't really cut through this. What sold me completely was this is going to cut through a watermelon. So think about the fruits you have during summer, or meatloaf, cake during birthdays. This is going to handle all of those as well as your bread. Whew. That burnt bottom was handled easily. Overall, I'm super impressed from the high carbon steel that's durable and should stay sharp no matter how you treat it. But like any knife, you should wash it by hand, dry it by hand. The dishwasher will dull it quicker over time. This type of steel should stay sharp longer. The offset handle, again, and the rubberized texture just increase safety and comfort. It's a very versatile knife. It comes super sharp out of the box. Mercer Culinary Millenia 10-inch bread knife with wide wavy edge. It also comes in 8 colors, so you're sure none of your friends will have it. It's great for bread, fruit, and probably slaying dragons. As always, if you like our video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel below, and we'll see you in the comments.